Okay guys, so can you see this picture? We want to reproduce something like this. Not exactly like this, but something like this, and we'll be doing that in a very short second. Alright, so I'm going to show you the approach that you're going to use. First of all, number one thing you have to do is what? One, you see this guy in form of shape? Can you see that? That's number one thing. Number two, you do this. Don't mind this, you get it. Don't mind it. We know where we are going. Alright, number three, you have to do something like this. And this. That's for the nose. Don't be surprised. Okay, and number four, do something like this. So now we are being serious with the nose now. Okay. Alright, can you see that? That's number four. Alright, let's go to the last stage. Number five. You just have to know where you are going. Alright, do you want the hair to be as tall as this? You can decide that, but I don't want that. Okay, so I can just cut it from here. Alright, the neck. Okay, so I want the hair like this. The shape I want to give it for the hair like this. Okay, so the lips now, then the nose. Okay, so I have to shade the hair. And that is all. Have a look. Stage one, can you see a cycle? Stage two, this with what? With the jaw. Alright, then another cycle with the jaw and the nose, and this, and then to the last stage. Alright, can you see that? Can you see that? So you can try to do something like this too. Alright, okay, see you next time.